From Candela, leading provider of energy-based solutions worldwide, introducing the Matrix System, a 3-in-1 dimensional RF platform designed to treat patients at various stages of the skin aging journey. The Sublime applicator provides a non-invasive wrinkle treatment that delivers RF bipolar energy combined with a gentle pulse infrared light that shortens collagen fibers, resulting in immediate and long-term improvement of wrinkles. The Sublative RF applicator provides a RF bipolar treatment designed for deep dermal impact, collagen development, and reduction of facial wrinkles, resulting in smoother skin. And Candela's latest innovation, the Matrix Pro applicator, a customizable short-pulse RF microneedling treatment using ultra-thin needles and depth intelligence technology, combining up to 3 depths with a single insertion, and real-time impedance monitoring, ensuring desired energy delivery and consistent outcomes, and marked improvement in overall skin appearance and texture, all designed to deliver clinically proven results, a more comfortable experience with minimal downtime. Elevate your practice with the Matrix System, powered by dimensional RF. Radio frequency microneedling, intelligently redefined. Candela. Science. Results. Trust.